Introduction to Free AI Text-to-Speech.
Text-to-speech, or TTS, technology allows you to turn any text into spoken words using artificial intelligence. Today, many powerful and realistic TTS platforms are freely available online. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to use these AI tools to convert written content into natural-sounding speech for personal projects, studying, accessibility, or creative uses.
Choosing a free AI TTS platform.
Popular free AI-powered TTS platforms include Google Text-to-Speech, Microsoft Azure TTS, Free Tier, and naturalreader Free. When choosing a tool, consider voice options, language support, and character limits. Many tools let you test voices before downloading. Visit each website, review their features, and select the platform that best matches your needs for quality, languages, and access.
Preparing your text for speech.
Before converting text, make sure your content is clear and well written. Most TTS platforms accept plain text, but proper punctuation ensures natural pauses and emphasis. Avoid using complex formatting or symbols that might confuse the TTS engine. If needed, break longer text into small sections. Copy and paste your prepared text into the platform's input area.
Customizing voice options.
Free AI TTS tools typically offer several voice and language options. You can choose different accents, male or female voices, and sometimes adjust speed or pitch. Experiment with these settings to find the most natural and pleasant result. Some tools let you preview the audio before finalizing. Tweak these settings as needed until you're satisfied with the output.
Exporting and using your speech audio.
Once your text sounds right, use the platform's export or download feature to save the speech as an audio file, usually in MP3 or WAV format. This file can now be shared, included in videos, presentations, or podcasts, wherever you need spoken audio. Always review usage terms to make sure your project stays within the tool's free plan limits.
Tips for best results and accessibility.
To maximize clarity, keep sentences concise and use correct grammar. For accessibility, ensure that the voice, speed, and language are appropriate for your audience. Many TTS tools also help people with visual impairments or reading challenges. By following these steps, you can use free AI-powered TTS effectively for a variety of applications.